DJN TV.
Nnamdi Kanu, the oga of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, go soon bounce enter Nigeria. Correct country people, how una dey enjoy una side now? Una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening. Sake of the time when e be say the time be now when e be say una take the look us on top our ogbonge take today informate yarns on top our ogbonge TV station when e be DJM TV. My name na Stanley Okocha, una correct country brother. Na me wan yarn una the correct story when dey share on top the time when we dey so for inside Naija. The informate when just dey reach us now go concern Mazi Nnamdi Kanu when be the leader of the indigenous people's Republic of Biafra, sake of say one pastor when him name be Prophet Kingsley Elijah when be the opener of the glorious Mount of Possibilities church when dey inside Lagos don yarn say the IPOB leader go soon enter Naija. The prophet yarn this one when him dey yarn another two things about Naija when him yarn say God show am for inside the spirit world. How this one wan take shele, the man of God no come yarn that one for inside the informate when he give. Country people, una go remember say Nnamdi Kanu don dey for the Naija government neck for many years now, sake of say him dey gbege to make sure say the Igbo people when dey for inside Naija cut comot for the country and come dey their own. But this one na him the Naija government never gree put am for, and this one come dey cause serious gbege between the Naija government and Nnamdi Kanu. So tey Naija government come big kpake am go put for inside one jete when e be say him come dey for some time before the one court come give am bail and him come gbase comot for inside Naija go stay for Obodo-Ibo from where him dey since, and from there na him dey yarn still dey do some gbege with the Naija government to make sure say dem cut Biafra comot for inside Naija. Country people, una go remember say e get one time when e be say sojo people dem go Nnamdi Kanu house go do some gbege when come make am be say e come gbase leave dem and e come gbase enter Obodo-Ibo. So tey the person when e be say e stand for am for bail when e name be Senator Enyinnaya Abaribe when e come be say e come be enter gbese for the matter. Country people, una go still remember say even when Nnamdi Kanu papa and the mama kpai, him no come join do the burial sake of say the Naija government be don do some correct energy to make sure say the security people when e dey for inside Naija kpake am once he put him leg for inside the country, and sake of that Nnamdi Kanu come remain for the Obodo-Ibo when e be say him dey sake of say they come dey do him papa and the mama burial, and they come bury them without Nnamdi Kanu not dey for ground, and na him be the senior pikin for the papa and the mama, and sake of say him no come dey ground na the next person na come run the burial, as be say they no fit dey wait for Nnamdi Kanu until him go come out from where him base go hide put, for sake of say the Naija government dey for him neck for that time. For another tori wey still concern the indigenous peoples of Biafra oga when e be Nnamdi Kanu, the security people when dem dey call the Eastern Security Network, when country people still dey know as ESN, don bulldozer enter inside one Fulani Nama people camp for inside Enugu state, for where dem go pursue the Nama people and their Nama comot for the place. For one tori video when e be say dey waka seriously well for inside the social media, our tori man see where the Eastern Security Network ESN come dey pursue the Nama people comot for the bush when e be say dem be go stay. For inside the informate, the original people when e be say na dem dey the place don first yarn the Fulani Nama people make dem vamoose comot for the place, but the Nama people no come gree here before the Eastern Security Network people come bulldozer the Nama people comot. As the Eastern Security Network people dey pursue the Nama people comot for inside the video when they waka seriously well for inside the social media, dem still come give dem strong warning say make dem no try am come back again, say if dem try am na their life na be say dem go take pay, but make dem try no come back to the place again if they like their life. The video dey come after some days when e be say the indigenous people of Biafra yarn say they don kpai the leader of the Fulani bandits when e name be Mohammed Issa, when dem still first catch for inside Benue State. According to the group tok person for Tori people matter, when e name be Ima Powerful, when still yarn with Tori people sake of the matter, him yarn say the Eastern Security Network people no go get sorry hard for bandits, as dem don yarn before for plenty times say na kpakpa dem go dey kpakpa any bandit when e be say their hand catch. Issa, when e be say the Eastern Security Network yarn say im be dey disturb the Igbo people when e be say dem dey stay for inside Benue communities, come enter the hand of the Eastern Security Network, and as dem gbab am, the Eastern Security Network come kpai am and come send am go their kingdom come. And since then, even the Miyetti Allah don deny am say dem no know anybody when e be say dem dey call Issa Mohammed. And this one come make the Eastern Security Network people come say yes, dem do the right thing sake of say na bandit na im be, sake of say im dey disturb and terrorize the Igbo people when e dey for inside Benue State, and so na make dem come gbab am, and so dem come stick by am join. Country people, una go still remember say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, first of all for December 2020 when be last year, start the Eastern Security Network to dey do protection on top the people when e be say dem dey the southeast and the south part of Naija from the hand of Boko people and even bandits when e be say dem yarn say dem dey pack come the every part when dey for inside the south and the southeast and even the southwest for inside Naija. The IPOB leader for that time yarn say the Eastern Security Network dey like the one when e be say the Yoruba people start when they call the Western Naija Security Network, when they still dey call Amotekun, and when get the back of all the southwest state governors to take back a security wahala for inside the southwest part of Naija. For Nnamdi Kanu himself mouth, when im dey start the Eastern Security Network that time, the main thing when this newly security network when we go dey call Eastern Security Network ESN na to stop the every thief and kpake matter when dey shele for inside Biafra land. This security network when be vigilante group go be like Amotekun when dey for southwest and Miyetti Allah when still dey for inside the north. Dem go make sure say security dey for all the bush and all the farm land when e be say e dey inside Igbo land, when e still be say thief people and bandits don change to be their slaughterhouse and raping ground. Since then, the Eastern Security Network and Sojo don dey gbege each other, especially for Olu when dey for inside Imo State, for where about 5 person come kpai on top the matter. But for the time when be say never too tey so, some people when be dey for inside the Naija Sojo come resign for there and come go join the Eastern Security Network, sake of say the Eastern Security Network get kpogiri from international and local people when e be say na dem dey back dem, and the people when dey for the Eastern Security Network dey get better enjoyment nyafu pass the Naija Sojo people. For Nnamdi Kanu mouth again, this Eastern Security Network people not just be area boys when e be say they just pick for streets come dey carry kalash anyhow. Dem be people when e be say dem get serious and correct training. I know about 5 guys when e be say come from my village for inside Anambra State, when just resign comot for inside the Naija Sojo when e be say dem be dey serve for the Operation Lafia Dole for inside Borno State, but they come comot there come join the Eastern Security Network. According to our Tori man when arrange this informate, him yarn say correct informate yarn say
our Tori man
come
yarn join say
inside
the Eastern Security
Naija Sojo when e be say
use the opportunity take back them and put them for their own side. Remember say for 2012 about 356 sojos dem when be dey gbege for inside the northeast and many other parts of Naija when e be say dem dey gbege come resign comot sake of say their mind no come dey sojo work again. Country people, na here our tori for break leg again for this time. We wan thank una on top the time wey be say una don take dey look us since. We wan beg una make una like, share and comment for this ogbonge tori wey be say we carry come give una so. For una comment, make una knack put for the comment box when e be say e dey under. And once still beg una say if you be businessman when dey do one business or the other for inside Naija, make you bring that your informate when e concern that your business. Come make we help you knack for country people, make dem know wetin you dey do. Country people, we wan still beg una make una subscribe for our channel when e be say e be DJ M. If una never still subscribe on top the time wey be say una don take the look us since, and once una subscribe, make una touch una hand for the notification bell so that una go continue dey get alert concerning our ogbonge tori anytime dey shele. Until next time wey be say we go still come una way again with the ogbonge tori wey go don dey shele at that time. My name na Stanley Okocha for Inside DJ M TV News. Una well done.
DJ TV. DJ TV.
These Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJ TV.
DJ TV. DJ TV. DJ TV. DJ TV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJ TV. DJ TV. DJ TV. DJ TV.